Good afternoon, everybody. Are you listening to my sound? Is it audible? Good. So often I request all the students switch on with your video. I strongly recommend our host teacher, please send those students who do not join with their video to the parking lot. Because if they do not lie, if they do not like to show their face to their teacher, I don't entertain to discuss with those students too. If you do not join with your video, I will mute my sound and close my video and I will talk to you. Is that entertaining? So my dear children, don't show your face. At least I like to see your face and so that I could talk to you well. It does not mean that without seeing your face, I can't talk. I can talk. But that's like one person, single person talking to himself or herself. So I don't want to act like that. And I am not good at acting too. So my dear children, good afternoon once again and welcome to our first class of increased routine. So we are lucky. This is your second class, right? So first class you studied optional first. That means optional mathematics. And those who of you are intending to take OPT population might have been studying well from your own side. Okay. So dear student, so look, last time, what did we discuss? I want to get that. Swapnil Rai. Swapnil Rai, are you listening to me?
Sir, last time
could you please tell us what did we do last time?
Sir, last time when I joined, it was already almost half a class was finished due to electricity problem. So
wow, that was the problem. Really, you missed that. Please go to school's YouTube channel and visualize that. And one more thing, I have uploaded that in your Google Classroom also. Mostly student Paniru, thank you very much. You remind me, often you remind me to upload my presentation or PowerPoint in Google Classroom. So let me move to Mr. Binit Thapa. Binit Thapa, could you share what did we do last time?
So
Later. Yeah, we had to talk about the letter, right? And we discussed about personal letter and the official letter, isn't it? That are divided into two groups. Mainly letters are divided into two groups. Let me know from Saurabh Kafle. Could you tell what are they?
Sir,
Saurabh Kafle? Sorry?
Sir, I don't remember.
So let me go to Angsu Basgai. Angsu Basgai.
Come on, sir.
Hazur.
Come on, sir. Just a minute. I can see your virtual backgrounds beside you. To virtual background like off गर्नुस् है. Beneath and अर्को कसको थियो. तपाईहरुको virtual background like off गर्नुस् त.
अनि यो भिडियो नखोल्नेहरुलाई पार्किङ लटमा पठाइहाल्नु पर्छ मेम है. बरु एक दुई जना जति हुन्छ त्यतिलाई पढाउँ.
कमन सर यो अनुनयको चाहिँ टेक्स्ट आएको छ कनेक्सन स्टेबल भएन भनेर स्टेबल हुन बित्तिकै अन गर्छु रे भनेर टेक्स्ट गरेको छ. आज हाम्रो होस्ट नयाँ हुनुहुन्छ सर त्यही भएर है अलिकति.
It's okay. So my dear children, मलाई यो स्क्रिन शेयर गर्ने इनेबल गरिदिहाल्नु है, फेरि अहिले डिस्टर्बिङ हुन्छ. So my dear children, so we were talking about last time, okay? Last time letters, and particularly letters are divided into two groups, and I wanted to know what are they. And Saurabh said he couldn't remember, and if so, then I must move to Prunika Ghimire. Prunika.
Yes, sir.
Could you tell us what are the two types?
Formal letter and informal letter.
Very good. And we have even divided formal letters and informal letters into three parts. Do you know, Angsu Basgai, what are they?
So personal letter, employment letter, and business letter.
Yeah, personal letter, business letter, and official letter.
Official letter, yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. And we discussed about writing letters, and your book has prescribed personal letter, and we discussed about official letter. That means I showed you example of a letter to the editor, right? And we discussed about the content. And today we are going to discuss something different. Something different. Do you know what we are going to discuss today? Alok Pahari?
Yes, sir.
Could you please tell us?
Sir, no idea.
No idea. Okay. So, my dear children, today we are going to discuss about something else. I don't tell you, but we have to discuss. Okay. We have to make discussion, then we could know. So, before doing that, I'm going to talk about, so let's go to Mr. Amir Khadka. Amir
Yes,
Khadka.
sir. Yes, sir.
Have you watched a movie 2012?
Yes, sir.
Do you know the story?
It's a little bit. I already forgot, sir.
You forgot anyway, little bit you know, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, will you share that one little bit?
So from first, sir, I already forgot, sir. I just know some parts only.
You forgot? Whatever you remember, that much only you have to tell.
Sir, because of in USA, earthquake occurs, then everything start to destroy. Then there is one hero. He works something. I don't know. I already forgot. He works on something.
It's okay. It's okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Amir Khadka. I would like to go to Srishti Khadka. Srishti Khadka, have you recently watched a movie?
No, sir.
No. What was your last movie?
Last movie,
Last watched movie?
I think Zola.
Do you have any idea about Zola?
Yes, sir.
Could you share?
The movie describes about the traditional belief on Sati system.
Yeah,
And
good.
in this story, there are two major characters. They are mother and son.
Good.
And in the past, people used to marry old people.
Good.
For their younger increasement of their age. And unfortunately, the husband died, and they also started doing the same system as other villagers do, Sati system. And but in case of that movie, the mother runs away and hide to the cave, and his son gives him some food and clothes.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Srishti. Thank you very much for your information regarding Zola movie. So let me move to Anushka Khatiora. Anushka, are you listening to me?
Hello.
Have you recently read any book? No book? What was your last book? Last read book. Dear students, who has got the sound here, please mute your sound first. Let Anushka speak. After speaking, please mute your sound. Anushka, I think Anushka lost the connection. So let me go to Sudin Paneru. Sudin Paneru.
Yes.
Sudin, have you recently read any book?
Yes, sir.
Which one book, please?
No, sir.
No? What was your last read book?
No.
No book you have read it. Anushka, I have seen you. Could you please speak? Your sound is mute. It's not audible. It's okay. It's okay. Let me move to you all people. So today we are going to discuss about book review or film review or movie review, right? We can say newspaper review also. We have three sorts, right? Book review, film or movie, same, right? And the newspaper review. So let's begin this. My dear children, you given 2 minutes. Please write down in your copy what are the points that we should keep in consideration while preparing or while writing book review or film review. First of all, let's go to film review. What are the points that we have to keep in consideration while writing film review? You are given 2 minutes only. Do fast. We have to share them. Don't describe. Simply write down the points.
Sir, we can write about film or book?
Film review. We will talk about book later. If anyone has completed, please you can unmute yourself and speak.
So can I?
Yeah, please. Please.
So the following things are to be considered while writing a review for a film.
Yeah.
They are star cast.
Yeah.
Writer, director, the production company, story, starting plot, the ending plot, impact of the story upon the key plots of the movie, critic review and audience review.
Fabulous. Fabulous idea that Mr. Anunay Podel has given to me. And I hope other people also listen. And next one, the time is off. Anyone voluntarily, please.
Sir, I have some.
Yeah, please. Sisti.
Motto of the movie, the writer, duration, and personal opinion.
Wow, great. That's excellent. Anyone, please? Go on.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, please. Yeah, go on.
So I want to just say that review should include the turning point or climax, and it also should say what this story of the movie is trying to give us, motivation or something like
Actually, the message that you'd like to say. Yeah.
Yes.
Turning point means the plot, as we have discussed about the plot, right? In your 9th class. Do you remember one act play that you studied in 9th class? And whatever the elements that you talked there are the similar elements in movie, right? While talking the drama, you discussed. I'm pretty sure that you discussed well about the elements of drama. If you have remembered the elements of drama that in 9th class that you were taught, you could better understanding. You could better understand it and you could make better presentation in this topic. Okay. Srisha, any more to add? So let me move to next one person. Okay. I want to go to Miss Kiran Ghale. Do you have any different idea?
Sir, the release date, language, and genre of the movie.
Yeah. Release date, genre, and the language. Genre and release date. These things. Exactly. Whatever you have been sharing here, that's enough. My dear children, thank you very much. At least you gave me idea of making film review. I'm very much pleased to get your ideas, precious ideas. That's fine. So I'd like to move to the slide then. This is a review. Simply review. The word itself makes clear. Re means again. View means see. Right? Once you watched a movie and you write your ideas relating to the story presented in the movie, right? Including settings, scenes, actions, music, characters, dialogues, story, everything, the message, right? And you prepare one document like an essay. When we see that, that is called review. We look again, right? And then this review is simply known as a critical evaluation. Whenever we are talking about critical evaluation, we evaluate the things, the movie, from the both aspects, its positive aspects, its negative aspects. And when we discussed about the reading comprehension or the text, reading passage, right? Text, we talked about the tone, right? And basically we can categorize the tone of the essay or tone of the text into 3 groups. So let me know what are the tones. So let me go to Miss Girvani Subedi. What are the tones? What do you understand by tone first?
Sir?
Yeah, tone.
So tones of what?
Yeah, tone. Tone means, what do you understand by tone? Yeah, when we are talking about the text, I discussed in our previous class. Do you remember?
So of letter writing?
Yeah, while writing letter also, while writing essay, while composing poem, whatever we are writing, there comes tone. It's one of the element.
I think it's kind of a rhythm or...
it's kind of rhythm. Yeah.
Yeah.
And I told that we must look at the tone of the, before we discussed about debate also, there also we talked about tone, right? And I talked about how to tackle the on-scene text or scene text. And at that time also I talked about tone. And if you do not forget, or if you have not forgotten that chapter, I discussed a memoir of my visit to France by Govindraj Bhattrai. There I showed you one short paragraph and how to tackle that. And I talked about tone also there. Do you remember? So Prasanna Budathuki. Prasanna Budathuki.
Yes, sir.
Do you know about the tone?
Polite.
Yeah, polite. You're right. That's polite. So let me move to Drishti Singh.
Yes, sir.
Could you tell us the type of tones?
Yes, firstly, tone means like it gives something of attitude.
Yeah.
It gives strength, and like tone are expressed happily, like expressing angrily, expressed with sorrow, like that.
Exactly. Yeah. Tone means the use of that tool which affects the human sentiments, right? It's a tool, and we have particularly negative tone or positive tone or neutral tone, isn't it? And while talking about this review, we have to go to this side also critically. If it's positive, if it's negative, if it's neutral, everything we have to look there. Critical evaluation means looking its weak points, strong points, and the normal, neutral points. That things we have to look at this. So let's begin. And you said some elements that we have to consider while writing film review. And let's see what are they. What are the points that we have to consider while making the film review? Okay, let me go. The first step that we have to know the title of the movie, right? And you must watch a movie to write a film review because you are not able to write an imaginary film review. So it is essential, my dear children. Writing film review is very important, and it is asked in grade 10 and mostly asked in grade 11 and 12. See the thing. And we are talking film review from grade 9. You studied it in grade 9 also, in grade 10. So look, grade 11 and grade 12, you are talking about that. And if you study English later, even in bachelor level too, see the point. And you need to know the director, The name of the director. Sometimes single producer, sometimes